we talk of, there is a statement coming up in the market again and everywhere almost we are able to listen, that follow your passion. Follow your passion to get best out of your profession. Now the problem is that how do I know that what is my passion? Most of the time it is said that hobby is your passion. It is said, and most of the time I think it is, at least in the movies it is shown that the hobbies are your passion. But the problem is that if you follow passion, you are not able to eat roti. You don't get bread. You are not able to earn enough to have your bread, butter. I mean, how will you survive? If you can't have your bread and butter, then how will you have home? How will you get married? So many factors will start coming in. So whether I should follow my passion or not, that is a very big question floating in the market. But no one has an answer. Movies show, follow your passion, forget about bread and butter. Do you think it is possible in real life? Tell me. It's not possible. And then we have to pick up professions which are meaningless. Like start suspecting everybody. I mean, imagine that I am not able to build my passion as profession, or I am not able to pick up a profession which I can successfully have my bread and butter, and then I can lead a good life, normal life and good life, or luxurious life. Then what is the point of having a passion or having a profession or having a life itself? I mean, there is no point cribbing about the life at the age of 60 years, 70 years. Oh, at that time if I would have done this, so I wouldn't have faced this problem. And most of the people are sick, diseased or bimar hai just because they think that they have not followed their passion. But it is wrong. They have followed the passion, they have followed the profession, but they have not built up their mental wealth. Rightly, they were not able to maintain it. They didn't know their eligibility level. If your eligibility level itself is not known, where will you build the building? If you do not have seed capital, how will you grow? What will you grow? You have to put a seed to let the tree come out and give fruits. And seed itself is not there, or seed is there. I mean, how can you come in life, or how you are visible, or how you are working, whatever you are doing, whatever you are, how is that? It is because of that seed. But the eligibility level of that seed, or that seed, what fruit it is going to give. Mind it, when I am planting mango seed, I know that it is going to give me mangoes. But when the human being is planted, the human seed is planted, at that time even gender itself is not known. When gender itself is not known, then how will I know that I have to know now that what is my eligibility level to start following a path which will improve my efficiency. So eligibility level. So E Squares has a procedure, well-defined technology which can calculate mathematically what is your eligibility level when you took birth. वैसे there are other systems also available like astrology etc. where you can know your eligibility level. But the problem with other system is that like let's say astrology needs parameters which are date of birth, time of birth, place of birth. Today the place of birth is not normal at all. Everybody is pushed to same hospital. So everybody has the same place of birth. So your eligibility level calculations go wrong. Then timing. You can never have a time because they take the time of delivery. But you are supposed to know the time of conceivement, which is practically not possible to know. Time of conceivement can never be known accurately. Never. And even actually the time of delivery itself is a question all the time. When the astrologer, the good, very good astrologers, they calculate and they find a difference between the person sitting in front and the calculations, then they say your time is wrong. He says, sir, मेरी जन्मपत्री में तो यही टाइम लिखा हुआ है, मैं क्या करूं? So that means there are methods, procedures available to find eligibility, but there are drawbacks in that. E Square has cultivated a procedure which is route based. What are routes? That we will talk about in the other video. But mind it, eligibility level, then cultivating the seed according to that eligibility level to acquire efficiency, and both multiplied will put together will give you mental wealth.